for the banking stocks, and that was largely because Axis Bank cracked over 7% today. And that was because although the numbers came in yesterday during market hours, after market hours one realized that the slippages or the bad loans which slipped into NPL were a little larger than what the P&L indicated. There was 1850 crore of loans sold to asset reconstruction companies, plus another about 2,000 crores that were refinanced through that infamous 525 route. All of that giving the market the impression that the stress was much more than was apparent on the P&L itself. In fact, if you took the first half stressed assets for Axis, it comes to 5,000 crores, and Axis has guided 5,700 for the full year. So chances are now they will not be able to meet that full year guidance. As well, for what it has sold to the asset reconstruction companies, it has got only 100 crores of money. The rest has been paid off as security receipts, and that can always go down if that asset went down. So there are further mark-to-market losses that they can suffer. As well, what you realize is that a number of large leverage groups in the economy, which have already been marked as a default rating by the rating agencies, are still not recognized as NPLs in most of the banks. Axis itself has exposure to about 8% of its book to such groups, and they are not yet NPLs. Axis had a rub-on effect on ICICI, PNB and Yes Bank. That's because the ICICI surely has the same exposure or even larger exposure to those kinds of groups, and therefore you could see that tumble across the banking space. Bad day for banks.